Menteri Ktieh jenguk kai pertai ke jela Meghalaya ba Lyngdoh uli tho ba ka sarkar jela kelamang hinyo point not like Klur tengka ban Pynitynnad cucu kanan Polok kabadan hapdeng genong ba Shillong da ka basdang ya kejung khot neng kong ya ku kabadan hak denganan habakrani gelat patai kubora ka khanyo trek ujleu arajar arfusan uba Lyngdoh ulong ba ya kenegarai la shim na kebenta ban kring cucu kinong wan jenguk kai pertai syaka jela Daga pentuk bagatanat geladap kot tanda ban penkut yaku kepada naga neganan bagi kam kin sedang haki ar nilai tayuk banwan. Hakabaya ka neganan an penkut da kikor kibor kajuk bamenta belatiup kan nano bubbles. Baradin bala penkut yaku kepada hang ni kan long kebala kuat shisha. Nalor kani uba Lyngdoh ula pentip ru batang syukut ka ayam slap kin salah ru ban sedang no ya ka light and sound show hanan Polok. Ya kabalamang kumasau Klur tengka ban pentraya ka. Halor kini ke jingkot tanda na kebenta kini ke kamru kan sesedang no asyen, bari kini ke project an pendap apo handreu na prabenai. Bat ketenat kelapan kreru ban paasna ya ki jakalit bar ki bapaka na kebenta ki patba. Kumjuk na kebenta ki nongwan jengokai pertai ha ki jipau ne kat art ligi jaka ki balajir. Uba Lyngdoh ule tho ba ketenat kelamang mar arpsan lak tengka ban sna ya ki jakalit bar ha ki jipau na kat art ligi jaka kum ha kapung umyam nan Polok seorang dauki bergiwe kibai ki jaka jengok kai.
Enhancing the potential of Wards Lake as a tourist destination, we are going ahead with the desiltation of the lake, and through the Department of Urban Affairs, I am glad to share with you that an amount of rupees 7 crore 3 lakhs 67,071 rupees has already been earmarked for the work of beautification of the lake. This beautification would involve treatment of the water, what is known as oxygenation, and this work has already been allotted, and meaning tenders have been called, NIT has been issued, and within the next 2 weeks or so, work on the ground will start. This work, once taken up, the cleaning and beautification of Wards Lake, you will see that once completed, the water will be sparkling clean, and also with this use of the technology that is known as nano bubbler, it will help to oxygenate the lake. Two is we are also going ahead with the construction of toilets for use of the general public at various tourist destinations. Roughly 10 to 12 such locations have been identified, and these toilets will have a sanction of about 25 lakhs per toilet. The end of the monsoon season, we should also be able to begin work for the light and sound show at Wards Lake. An amount of roughly 4 crore rupees has been earmarked, and the process of tendering this particular project will start soon. And as I mentioned, work on the ground will begin by end of August or September. The project will take roughly 6 to 8 months until completion.